Well, I would say it usually depends on who I celebrate my birthday with. I mean, when it comes to friends, especially my squad, we usually throw bodies or even paint the town red and pull an all-nighter, that's for sure. But for my family, I will prefer something more intimate like a close meal, a nice dinner at a restaurant where we can just sit, share a moment and spend quality time together. On any other day, I can be sort of a nitpicky guy, but not on my birthday. You know, the poor fact that people remember the day I was born and actually care about picking something for me is what I appreciate the most. So sometimes the gifts that I get might not be my cup of tea. They might not be what I personally enjoy, but that's okay. It's the affection and thoughtfulness that touch me most. Well, what I have noticed is that years ago, Vietnamese people used to mostly stay at home and throw indoor parties, but these days they actually go on vacations on all sorts of occasions, including birthdays. And my company is a great example. You know, we are going to Gagba Iceland next week, which is a very famous traveling destination this weekend. And I am so excited because we are going to have some so amazing things to do.